Hey everyone, so I'm here with a cordless tiller from MZK. This one is a 20-volt model. It also does come with a mini shovel. There are two different options. You can get it with one battery or you can get it with two batteries. I do have the one battery option, but it isn't much more to get the two. This one just uses a 20-volt lithium-ion battery. And it's starting to rain, so we'll try to finish this up here. So the tillers, you got 7.8 inches across, and there is, I believe it's either 24 or 25. I believe it's 24 steel tines as well, total. Let's go ahead and try it out before it starts getting rainy. Really easy to use this. Also, it's easy to put it together. It's only in two pieces, the handle. So this right here is what locks it together, and it's two pieces, and then this to put on, and that's it. That's all you got to do. I was getting ready to do some tilling, part of the lawn here that needs to get a little bit of work done to it. The grass is pretty bad and stuff. Now I have pretty soft soil. Now this is definitely going to be more for garden type use when it comes to like garden beds and raised beds, stuff like that. But I am going to see how it does work in these weeds and grass to get down to the soil. All right, so let's go ahead and see how well this will work through even the weeds and stuff. To turn it on, there's just a little trigger that you got to squeeze or push either side. And that way it's left or right-handed, and then pull the trigger. All right, so that actually works pretty well, even with grass. It's also just good for mixing up your soils. You know, for a small portable battery operated tiller, this actually works really well. Now, I wouldn't recommend doing it on grass. It's not really what it's made for, but I was able to share that it actually will till into that grass. Now, harder dirts, it's going to struggle a little bit. This is definitely going to be for softer ground, gardens, flower beds, stuff like that. But this is the MZK portable tiller, and I think it works really well. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.